Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make split pea soup in an instant pot. This method is incredibly efficient, transforming humble ingredients into a hearty meal with minimal effort. Forget hours of simmering. Your instant pot will deliver a rich, flavorful soup in a fraction of the time. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final delicious bowl, ensuring a perfect result every time. Get ready for a comforting and easy-to-make dish. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of dried green split peas, which should be rinsed well. For the liquid base, have 6 cups of either vegetable or chicken broth ready. Next, prepare your aromatics. Chop 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 bay leaf to infuse your soup with wonderful flavor. These simple components are the foundation of a truly satisfying soup. Now let's get cooking in your instant pot. First, select the sauté function and cook your chopped onion, carrots, celery, and garlic for about 5 minutes until softened. Next, add the rinsed split peas, 6 cups of broth, and the bay leaf to the pot. Secure the lid, ensure the vent is sealed, and set your instant pot to high pressure for 15 minutes. After cooking, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes, then carefully quick release any remaining pressure. Once the pressure is fully released, carefully open the lid. Remove the bay leaf and give the soup a good stir. It should be wonderfully thick and creamy. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For serving, ladle your delicious split pea soup into bowls. Consider garnishing with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, some crispy croutons, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy this comforting, homemade meal and store any leftovers in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.